Hi folks, Terry from Terry's O-Gauge Trains, and I'm reaching out to the O-Gauge community today, hoping you can help me with this accessory, with identifying it, tell me something about it. This tower, from what I found out online, is a semaphore tower. It had belonged to my father. I did some research on it, and all I could find out was that it was possibly made by Ives. I couldn't find any manufacturer markings on it, uh, saying who made it. I don't know if it's pre-war, post-war, if it's O gauge or possibly even standard gauge. Um, but if you look here, I'll put it over here on the layout. You can see that really doesn't look too bad in scale on the layout. Again, I don't know who made it. There are little holes up here on the semaphores. Let me get it in focus. Okay, you can see it better on the green. And down here on the bottom of the pole, two more little holes. So I don't know if that is parts missing. Maybe there was some kind of armature or something that made these go up and down when the trains came by. Or if it's strictly manual, I don't know. As you can see underneath, there is no sign of any kind of electrical wiring or anything like that for it. So, stand it up straight. If anybody out there knows any more about this, can identify who made it, whether it's pre-war, post-war, O scale, G scale, if there's parts missing, I really would like to get this restored to operating condition if it was electrical, and can tell me how. Please let me know in the comments. Thank you for any assistance you can give me on it. Or if you want, if you have photos of a working one, you can send them to my email at jomd67 at gmail.com. So thanks for watching, and I hope you can help me out with this. Catch you next time. And that's all from Terry's O-Gauge Trains.